Quick, to the elevator! Hurry, I can hear it coming!
So, we meet again, Buzz Lightyear, for the last time.
Ah, it's Zurg! Watch out! He's got an ion blaster!
Quick, get on! The emergency hatch, come on! Come on! Hurry!
But Buzz is in peril!
Lightyear to the rescue.
Surrender, Buzz Lightyear. I have won.
I'll never give in. You killed my father!
No, Buzz. I am your father.
Come on, come on! Buzz, you could have defeated Zurg all along. You just need to believe in yourself.
Prepare to die.
I can't look. I did it. I finally defeated Zurg.
Father.
Finally!
How are we gonna get him now?
Pizza, anyone?
Go, go, go! I got it! Buzz, are you coming? No, I have a lot of catching up to do with my dad.
Good throw, son. That's my boy. Go long, Buzzy.
Oh, you're a great dad. Yippee! Farewell.
Does anyone know how to drive?
Sleep, take the pedals. Rex, you navigate. Ham and potato, operate the levers and knobs.
Whoa!
Strangers from the outside.
Oh, no.
He's in a red light. We can catch him.
Maximum power, Slink!
Whoa, it turned green. Hurry!
Why won't it go?
Use the wand of power.
Rex, which way?
Left. I mean right. That's right. One is left. Left is right. Buzz, he's turning left. He's turning left.
Oh, I seriously doubt he's getting this kind of mileage.
Go right. To the right. Right, 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 right.
You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
Yeah, whatever. Guys, we can't park here. It's a white zone.
You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
Final boarding call.
There he is.
Parody Airlines Flight 451 to Tokyo. All confirmed passengers boarding passes must board at this time.